Are you considering a DIY flooring project but feeling a bit intimidated by the process? Don't worry, with the right tools, materials, and guidance, installing flooring by yourself can be a rewarding and cost-effective endeavor. Consider factors such as durability, maintenance requirements, style, and budget. Once you've chosen your flooring material, make sure to purchase enough to cover your space, plus a little extra for mistakes or future repairs. A properly prepared subfloor is essential for a successful flooring installation. Start by removing any existing flooring and thoroughly clean the subfloor to remove any dirt, debris, or adhesive residue. Repair any damaged areas and ensure the surface is smooth and level. Depending on your flooring type, you may also need to install an underlayment to provide additional cushioning and moisture protection. Measure the dimensions of your room and carefully plan your layout to minimize waste and achieve the desired aesthetic. Use a pencil to mark cutting lines on your flooring material and use a saw to make precise cuts as needed. Remember to account for expansion gaps around the perimeter of the room and any obstacles such as doorways or vents. With your prepared subfloor and cut flooring pieces ready to go, it's time to start installing. Begin in one corner of the room and work your way across, following the manufacturer's instructions for your specific flooring type. Use spacers to maintain uniform expansion gaps between the flooring and walls and ensure each piece is snugly fitted together. Install any transition strips, trim, or molding to cover exposed edges and create a polished look, being careful not to damage the flooring surface. If you are looking to buy some amazing flooring, visit our website now at genixflooring.com.